Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is how to get seconds by using total underscore seconds function using Python. So what this function does is it used to return the total number of seconds covered for specified duration of time instance. So what is the syntax is total underscore seconds, and no need to pass any parameters here. So first what I'm doing, I'm importing required functions. So from date time, import time and time delta and date time. So first what I'm doing is for getting total seconds for the given duration of time. So first I'm using time delta and I'm passing minutes as 55 minutes. So here what we'll get output is, if I try to print duration here, so one thing duration is, so we passed 25 minutes, no? So 0 hours, 25 minutes and 0 seconds. So on top of that, what we given is duration dot total underscore seconds. So what it does is this 55 minutes is, it will convert into seconds. So if you do multiply 55 into 60, you will get this value. Okay, so getting the total seconds for the duration of 55 minutes. So that this total second it printing here. Okay, so if you pass any value, no, either in terms of minutes or hours, it simply converts into seconds, number of seconds. So if we go for one more method, same function, time delta. Here I'm taking minutes, but here I'm taking negative time. So first we'll see what it prints. So time delta I given minutes as minus 3 into 30. So if you multiply these minutes and if you try to convert it into time, we'll get 23 hours, 21 minutes. And this duration is minus, no? So this duration, I am using this total underscore seconds function. If I try to print this, so these many seconds will get. If you convert this one, no? 23 hours, 21 minutes, it will convert into these many seconds. Okay, so next similar way. So here I'm trying to pass days. So earlier I passed only minutes. So here I'm trying to pass days equal to 2, hours equal to 5, minutes equal to 30, and seconds as 15. So what we'll get here after converting this, so first it will convert into days and time. Okay, date and time. So days is 2 days, and this time it converting 5 hours, 30 minutes, 15 seconds. So this time difference, I'm applying total underscore seconds. So what we are getting is this whole thing, no, 2 days, and this whole thing comes under this many seconds. If you see here, 2 days is equivalent to this many seconds, and next we have 5 hours. So 5 hours equal to this many seconds, 30 minutes equal to this, 15 seconds equal to this. So if you combine all this, we'll get this many seconds. So similar way, 2 days, hours, minutes, seconds. So this time I want to calculate both seconds and hours. So date one, total underscore seconds. So first date one. So how it will convert is 2 days, 3 hours, 43 minutes, 35 seconds. 2 days, 3 hours, 43 minutes, 35 seconds. So if you convert this one seconds, this many seconds you will get based on this total underscore seconds. So, and these seconds I am converting to hours by using this total underscore second, that is date one, this same syntax I'm using. On top of that, I'm dividing by 3600. If I do this, I will get hours, 51 hours. So that means this total thing, one I'm converting to seconds, this many seconds, and in terms of hours, this one, 51 hours. Next, we'll go for, so here I'm defining only minutes again now, time delta, minutes equal to 220. So first I'm printing these 220 minutes into seconds. Okay, so if I try to print this date to this 220 minutes, it converting to time format. That is 3 hours, 40 minutes. So on top of that, I'm applying total underscore seconds. I'm getting this many seconds. So here I'm trying to round off. So what I'm doing here is first I'm converting to hours. So date to dot total underscore seconds. Up to here it will give seconds. Since I'm doing divide by 3600, it will give you hours. So those hours I am rounding off to single decimal. So this we are getting 3.7 hours. So same thing, instead of using round, I am using floor here. Floor 3600. So that means it will give you integer. So it won't give you float value. It will do round off to 0 digit. Okay, that is 3 hours. So next, what we'll do, calculate the difference between two date times. So here I'm defining two dates. One is start date and end date. That is February 10, 24 and 8 hours, 30 minutes. Here February 12 and 14 hours, 45 minutes, 30 seconds. So time difference, what I'm doing minus end time minus start time. And that time difference, what we'll get is 2 days and this 6 hours, 15 minutes, 30 seconds. So on top of that, I'm using this total underscore seconds. So this whole thing, it converting to these seconds. So this calculation we already saw in previous cell. So you can refer that. So how to calculate this. So next, check if a time difference exceeds a limit. So that means I'm defining one time here, start time as this one, and time limit is time delta hours 48. So next I'm defining current time as this one, date time, and this is the time. So time elapsed is, what I'm doing is current time minus start time. So this is my current time minus start time. So if I do that, so first I'm printing start time, time limit. So start time is this one, time limit is this one. What is the start time? February 14, 24, 12 hours. And what is the time limit? It is time delta hours 48. 48 hours means 2 days. Okay, so next what I'm printing? Current time. That is this one. This is what? February 16, 24 and 14 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so and finally, what I'm doing is if time underscore elapsed, that is this one, what we are getting is this one, 2 days, this one, and if you convert this one to seconds, time elapsed, that is this one, 2 days, 2 hours, 30 minutes. I'm converting into seconds and I'm checking with time limit. So time limit is this one, 2 days, 0 hours, dot seconds. I'm converting to seconds and I'm comparing these two values. So that means this one and this one. So if it is greater than, then I have to print time limit as exceeded. So else still within the time limit. So if you try to run this based on these time values, so time limit has exceeded because time elapsed. This is more, no, greater. So it is satisfying this condition. So it printing this one, time limit exceeded. So next, convert seconds back to days, hours, and minutes. So now, as of now, what we saw is we are converting days, hour, minutes, seconds into seconds. So here we are doing vice versa. So first what I'm doing, total seconds equal to this much, 250,000. So this one I want to convert equivalent time like this, days, hours, minutes, seconds. So for that, what I'm doing, I'm using time delta function, and inside that I'm defining seconds. So in time delta, how many seconds? So how many seconds, what I'm defining? This total seconds. That means this one, 250,000 seconds. So time delta seconds equal to 250,000. So now what it do is this time difference dot days. So it will pick days from this time underscore difference. So similar way for hour and minute, I'm using this function dev mode. From this seconds I'm picking and reminder. Okay. So what it does is time difference seconds. So it will pick seconds from that and it will divide by 3600. So it will give you hours. So similar way for minutes. So reminder dividing by 60. So we'll get in minutes and seconds. So if we try to print, so days. So first one is 2. So 2 we are getting this. So these days, this one. And hours. Hours is how much here? 21. This hours from where we are getting this one. And minutes. Minutes and seconds from where we are getting from here. Okay, so it will listing down. So final value, like if you convert these seconds, we are getting 2 days, 21 hours, 26 minutes, 40 seconds. Okay, so that's all about this video, how to use total underscore seconds. So if you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.